स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः संस्कृतं स्वागतम्। अद्य वयं सप्तमकक्षायाः प्रथमं पाठं पठामः। प्रथमः पाठः सुभाषितानि। सुभाषितानि सुभाषितानि। सु नाम उत्तमानि, भाषितानि नाम वचनानि। उत्तमानि वचनानि एव सुभाषितानि भवन्ति। सुभाषितानि इत्यस्य पर्यायपदम् अस्ति सूक्तिः। अत्र प्रथमसुभाषितम् एवं वर्तते। पृथिव्यां त्रीणि रत्नानि जलमन्नं सुभाषितं मूढैः पाषाणखण्डेषु रत्नसंज्ञा विधीयते। On this earth there are three gems. The real gems are three. They are Jalam, Annam, Subhashitam. That is water, food, and the good sayings. Mudhaihi. They are the fools who name the pieces of stones as the gems. Actually, whatever we call gems in the world, they are not so precious. What is very precious for life is water, food, and the knowledge. द्वितीयं सुभाषितं सत्येन धार्यते पृथ्वी सत्येन तपते रविः सत्येन वाति वायुश्च सर्वं सत्ये प्रतिष्ठितम्. Earth holds us because earth is very truthful. Sun always gives light to us because sun is very truthful. And wind blows continuously because wind is very truthful. Everything in this world lives in truthful. That's why it is called Satyameva Jayate. We have to learn to be truthful. Be truthful to yourself, be truthful to your parents, and be truthful to the society. तदग्रे वयं पश्यामः दाने तपसि शौर्ये च विज्ञाने विनये नये विस्मयो नहि कर्तव्यो बहुरत्ना वसुंधरा. वसुंधरा भूमि बहुरत्ना वर्तते. There is no scarcity of gems on the earth. That means after one goes, there is always a replacement is ready. You should never get ego that donations, and always you should think when you are giving, you should think that I am giving the less to others. Never think that I am the giving the most of me. As I told you, a miser never gives because he is scared that by giving he becomes poor. A good fellow gives because he thinks one day I may become poor. In the same way, it is the attitude which decides your attitude towards others. Dane, when you give to others. Tapasi, determining, dedicating yourself. Shaurye, in the bravery. Vignane, in the science. Vinaye, in obedience. Naye, in plans and the rule. Vismayo nahi kartavyo. Never show any surprises because earth will be producing many gems. If you are today in the same place, tomorrow somebody else come. You are in somebody's place. In your place somebody was there yesterday. Today you are there, but you think it is your permanent. No. In your place somebody else will come. You will move to somebody's place. That's why earth is producing gems again and again. It doesn't have any scarcity. चतुर्थ सुभाषितं पश्यामः सद्भिरेव सहासीता सद्भिः कुर्वीत संगतिं सद्भिर्विवादं मैत्रीं च न सद्भिः किंचिदाचरेत्. सद्भिरेव सहासीता. सद्भिः एव सः आसीत सद्भिः कुर्वीत संगतिम् सद्भिः विवादं मैत्रीं च न असद्भिः किंचित आचरेत. It means sadbihi, with good people, eva, only, saha, with asita, sit. Always sit with the good people. Sadbihi kurvita sangatim. Always with the good people you make friendship. Sangatihi nama maitri. You make friendship with the good people. Sadbihi vivadam. If you want to argue, please argue with the good people. If you want to have friendship, have it with the good people. Na asadbihi, not with the bad people. Kinchidacharet. Kinchit nama swalpam. Don't do anything with the bad. That means even if you come in contact, all your goodness will be converted into the bad thing. That's why always good company is very, very important. I would like to quote one shloka here of Bhartrhari. Bhartrhari tells that water drops that falls on a heated iron rod. If you see the tawa, dosa tawa, when the water drop falls, you cannot find water drop where it is falling because soon it falls, it evaporates. If the same water drop falls on the lotus leaf, it looks like a gem, but it is not the gem. If the same water drops falls into the shell in the ocean, the same water drops goes down for years in the ocean and returns as a pearl. You know, the pearls are in the shells. So it is your company which makes you what you are. That's why this Subhashita tells always be in the good company. That's why you might have realized that your parents, when you grow up, they look for the reputed institutions. It doesn't mean that you will learn much better in the reputed institutions. What is the difference between the institutions is that how it makes you to progress. When you are in a better position, in a better place, your progress will be much better. That is very, very important. That's why your company, the place where you live, with whom you live, makes much difference in the life. That's why sadbihi nama sajjanaihi eva sahasita eva upavishet सद्भिः सज्जनैः कुर्वीत संगतिं तैः मैत्रीं संपादयेत सद्भिः विवादम. If you want to argue, if you want to punch the flower, even if you punch the flower, your hand will be full of fragrance. Even if you love a pig, you will get a dirty smell. So that's why if you want to fight, argue with the good people, that will lead to a better decision. If you argue with a bad person, that will lead to a worst situation. Understood? That's why sadbihi vivadam. Always argue with the good people. Maitrincha. Friendship also you must have with the good people. Once again we will read this Subhashita. Sadbhireva sahasita sadbhihi kurvita sangatim sadbhir vivadam maitrincha nasadbhihi kinchidacharet. Sadbhihi nama sajjanaihi. आसीता नाम उपविशेता संगतिम मैत्रीम विवादम चर्चाम किंचित नाम स्वल्पम इति अर्थः अस्ति. तदनंतर सुभाषितं पश्यामः. धन धान्य प्रयोगेषु विद्याया संग्रहेषु च आहारे व्यवहारे च त्यक्तलज्जः सुखी भवेत्. This is a very different Subhashita you are going to read today. Dhana dhanya prayogeshu vidyaya sangrahishu cha ahare vyavahare cha tyakta lajjaha sukhi bhavet. The most beautiful thing we learn from our parents is the nature of shy. We must have the nature of shy. But this Subhashita tells us we should be shameless. One who is shameless will be very happy. If you feel shame, you will not be happy. Not everywhere. It is clearly telling us where we need to be shameless. First, dhana dhanya prayogeshu. First, in the money matters, if you have the shame, that if you feel shame that I have given money to my friend, I don't ask, that friend may never return you the money. So, in the money matters, you should be very shameless. Then only you should be very clear. Sarveshamapi shauchanam arthashaucham parasmrutam. Manu tells that among the all the cleanliness, the cleanliness in the financial matters is very much essential. And dhanya prayogeshu, in the history you might have heard that in the early period we had no currencies. People were exchanging the grains. Dhanya prayogaha. Somebody was giving rice and instead they were taking the atta, like that. Pulses were given and the sugar was taken. It was give and take. That is, in the business, in the exchange business, you should never have shame. If you are shameful, you will be at loss. And very important, what is needed for you is vidyayah sangraheshu cha. You come to school to learn, but because of the circumstance in your classroom situation, you feel shy to ask your own doubts to your own teachers. If you are so feel shameful to ask your own doubts to your teacher, who else can solve your problems? So that's why when asking the doubts to your teachers, you should be shameless. Never think that my doubt is very small. What my friends will think about my doubt. My friends may laugh at me. These preoccupations should be deleted. Feel free, feel shameless to ask doubts to your teachers, because your doubts, clearing your doubts is very essential for you. It may not be as important for others, but for you it is very important. Vidyayah sangraheshu. When you want to collect the knowledge, when you want to gain the wisdom, never be shameful. Be shameless. Ahare, food. Especially it so happens when we visit our relatives and we will be very shameful, and even though you like, you say nahi nahi bus bus. So you will be at last because you are feeling hungry. So when you are taking the food, shatam vihaya bhoktavyam, leave 100 and eat in your food. Be shameless. Vyavahare, in the business, if you feel he is my relative, he is my friend, your business will be at loss. So vyavaharaha, in the business. Tyakta lajjaha, one who leaves the shame. Sukhi bhavet, he will be very happy. Once again we will see. Dhana dhanya prayogeshu विद्यायाः संग्रहेषु च आहारे व्यवहारे च त्यक्तलज्जः सुखी भवेत्. धनम, पर्यायपदं समानार्थकपदम् अस्ति वित्तम्. Dhanam means money. Dhanyam, pulses or grains. Prayogeshu, in the usage. Vidyayaha, knowledge or the wisdom. Sangraheshu, collection. When you are collecting the knowledge or the wisdom. Ahare, in the food. Vyavahare, in the business. Tyakta lajjaha, one who leaves the shame. Lajja, lajja nama hvihi. So, shame, one who leaves the shameness. Sukhi bhavet, he will be happy. One who is shameless, not everywhere, only in the money matters, exchange matters, and collecting the food, collecting the wisdom, and in the case of food and your business you should not have any shame. Next, क्षमावशी कृतिर्लोके क्षमया किं न साध्यते शांति खड्गः करे यस्य किं करिष्यति दुर्जनः. क्षमावशी कृतिर्लोके क्षमया किं न साध्यते शांति खड्गः करे यस्य किं करिष्यति दुर्जनः. यस्य वशे क्षमा अस्ति, one who has got the forgiving nature, क्षमा, forgiving others, सः कृतिर्लोके, सः धन्यः भवति, he is the great one who has got the attitude of forgiving others. Kshamaya kimna sadhyate. By forgiving others, what can't you achieve? That means you can achieve everything by forgiving others. Shanti khadgaha. Khadgaha, sword. The sword of peace. Kare yasya, one who has got a sword of peace in his hand. Karaha nama hastaha. Kim karishyati durjana. Even a bad fellow cannot do anything to him. What a bad fellow can do him? No, he cannot do anything to him. Kshamawashi kritirloke kshamaya kim na sadhyate shanti khadgaha kare yasya kim karishyati durjana. Only strong can forgive others, not the weak. So that is said in this shloka. Let us practice all the shlokas once. पृथिव्यां त्रीणि रत्नानि जलमन्नं सुभाषितं मूढैः पाषाणखण्डेषु रत्नसंज्ञा विधीयते सत्येन धार्यते पृथ्वी सत्येन तपते रविः सत्येन वाति वायुश्च सर्वं सत्ये प्रतिष्ठितम् दाने तपसि शौर्ये च विज्ञाने विनये नये विस्मयो न हि कर्तव्यो बहुरत्ना वसुन्धरा सद्भिरेव सहा सीता सद्भिः कुर्वीत संगतिं सद्भिर्विवादं मैत्रीं च नासद्भिः किञ्चिदाचरेत् धनधान्यप्रयोगेषु विद्यायाः संग्रहेषु च आहारे व्यवहारे च त्यक्तलज्जः सुखी भवेत् क्षमावशी कृतिर्लोके क्षमया किं न साध्यते शान्तिखड्गः करे यस्य किं करिष्यति दुर्जनः. We had 6 subhashitas in this lesson. By this we have come to the end of the first lesson. प्रथमः पाठः आसीत् सुभाषितानि. अस्मिन् पाठे अस्माभिः षट् सुभाषितानि अधीतानि सन्ति. प्रियछात्राः, गृहे एव स्थित्वा षण्णामपि सुभाषितानाम् अध्ययनं कुर्वन्तु. kantapatam sampadayantu. Please write these subhashitas in your fair and practice them, by heart them. Thank you. Bhavatu Shubhadinam, Bhavatu Anudinam. Dhanyavada.